is also may have to join online. So connect to Canada Digital Network here. Okay. So Vikas will be taking shoe as an example or shoe as a product. Yeah. Use Canada Digital 5G network. Offline join is. Yes. Help them with password. Na? Join the link from your laptops. Now, why mobile phones? Okay, great. Watches, shoes, and how about others? Everybody. So I have put the link in the group. So I'll put it here also. Mute your mics. Your computer has to be muted. When I send that link to Chennai also. All of you mute your computer and mute your mic also. Volume zero. Volume zero on your computer and mute the mic as well. Okay, I hope all of you see the screen. Do you all see the screen, guys? Or go to campaigns and you can click from the campaign section also. You should be one step ahead of me. Huh? Exit, na? Exit. So plus new campaign. The first thing in Google Access it will ask you for the goal. What do you want to do? So what do you need from Google is what it's going to ask you. Okay. See Google. So before this, we'll have to recall this understanding about the push and pull marketing. How many of you here know what is push marketing and what is pull marketing? Okay. Many of you may not know. Okay. So marketing, regardless whether it is digital marketing or offline marketing, whatsoever it is, marketing is classified as push and pull marketing, right? So push marketing is all the activities and implementations of the business are for the people who are already badly in need of it, right? Your efforts, implementations, activities are for the people who are badly in need of it and actively looking for your product or service. That is called as push marketing. So offline example for push marketing is a supermarket. A supermarket research understands, okay, so this is a residential area and a lot of people need these kinds of products. They will research, they will put up a facility, infrastructure, softwares, people, stock, everything, right? Being available for people who are in need of it is push marketing. And pull marketing is regardless of the need or necessity or want. So you will start approaching the people in your business strategy or marketing strategy such that It will start approaching people based on the assumptions that they might buy the product or service, right? And the end result is they might see sale happening or may not see any kind of sale happening, right? So a very good example of pull marketing is people walking to your houses with surf excel packets, or maybe with a pen, or maybe with some product. They come to your door, they will knock your door and they'll ask, do you want to buy it? Sometimes you might show interest when it is a very innovative product. You might have never seen that product and the availability of it is very rare. Like you must be seeing all these innovation products, China products, right? If they are bringing in the regular product, you will not pay any kind of attention to it. There are chances that you might show interest in it, but again, whether you buy it or not is completely dependent, right? So on the internet also, this push and pull marketing can be done, right? Right. So now a business being available for people who are badly in need of it, in search of it. Yes, people searching on Google. So for example, buy shoes online, right? Now what Mintra does, or whatever you see here, right? So being available, this abc.com company, instead of investing on push marketing, they must be investing on pull marketing, showing ads on Facebook and Instagram. People, if they're badly in need of it, do you think they will go to Facebook and Instagram? No, right? They'll come to Google and search for it, correct? Correct. So another example of pull marketing, offline pull marketing, is hoardings. You must be seeing hoardings to the roadside, right? You people distributing the pamphlets, right? All those are examples of pull marketing. They are trying to educate you about their product or service and trying to pull you in it, right? It's clear. So now this platform also allows you to bid on, push your ad on both push marketing and pull marketing platforms, right? So you understand very clearly that showing an ad here is push marketing. You are showing to people only when they are badly in need of it. Showing the ad on YouTube video, you see skip ads. Many times you see most of them being highly relevant, and sometimes you will see it could be relevant to you, but you are not in need or necessity of it, correct? And you will just skip the ad, correct? Even if you are in need of it, that's a different scenario, whether you go buy or not, whatever. Usually pull marketing campaigns are done for branding and awareness. You have to be very well versed with this understanding for what purposes each of these campaigns are done. Push marketing is straight away to sell the product or services. People are already asking for it and you are selling it. And pull marketing for branding, for awareness, for educating the people, those marketing platforms will be highly effective or useful. Clear up to here, right? Every platform, mainly the Google ads. See, Facebook and Instagram is purely a pull marketing campaign, but then it allows an extreme level of targeting where you can get the sale also, not just awareness. You can generate the quality leads also from those platforms, and we will discuss more about those platforms and activities when we get started with Facebook and Instagram ads, or maybe other kinds of ads. So now we are getting started with Google ads, right? So look at this. So Google is first asking you for different objectives. So back to a decade or back to few years, we did not set traffic. So what happens is when you pick the leads or when you pick the sales, Google will start negotiating with you. See now, before that I'll explain you what happens with the website traffic. See, with the website traffic option, you will be getting people to your website. 100 people, let's say 100 people, correct? And now we know for every click we are paying to Google. Let's say for every click you are paying 50 rupees, right? When you get 100 people to your website, how much is your spend? Each click is costing you 50 rupees. And if you are getting 100 people to the website, what is the spend incurred? What is the cost incurred? You are spending 5,000, correct? Correct. Now, if your web page is appealing, if your product is amazing, right? We will discuss more about what is this product and how we do the product packaging. Product packaging is not wrapping it with the cover. Product packaging is coming up with the competitive pricings, all the features or options for the customers. It's a vast subject. We will discuss that in depth. But you all understand now. To get 100 people, you are spending 5,000 rupees. Correct. Now, with your effective communication, like ad copies. You are writing very good statement in the ad copies, and your web page is clean, very informative. Your product pricing is low, right? Your product, basically your product is the best in the market as compared to anybody else in terms of service, in terms of variations, in terms of pricing, in terms of support, everything. Your product is the best, right? So in these scenarios, out of 100 you might see lot of people inquiring with you or purchasing your product. Let's say out of 100 you might see 10 people inquiring with you, right? If 10 people are inquiring, what is the cost per inquiry or cost per lead? What is the cost incurred to get one lead? You got 10 leads by spending 5,000 rupees, correct? Now, what is the cost per lead? 500 rupees. 5,000 divided by 10. So poor, all of you are very poor with mathematics, numbers. Or is that you don't want to open up your mouth? Each click is costing you 50 rupees, and to get 100 people, you have spent 5,000 rupees. After spending this 5,000, you are able to get only one sale. Now, cost per sale is 5,000. If you are getting two sales, cost per sale is 2.5 thousand. If you are getting 10 sales, cost per sale is 500 rupees. If you are getting 20 sales, the cost per sale is 250 rupees. If you are getting 50 sales, the cost per sale is 100 rupees. Are you all getting it, guys? Is that clear for everyone? Right? Now, when you go by this option, you are very clear that you will have control. But when you pick this option, Google comes into the negotiation, or Google tells, I can get you a lead at 900 rupees. You can keep it as 300 rupees. It says you how much do you want to invest or spend per lead. Google gives you an option to tick mark or check mark it. How much do you want to spend per lead? If you put 200 rupees, Google says, boss, 200 ko kuch bhi nahi aayega. People are spending at least 1,000 rupees to get one lead, right? Now it forces you to put 1,000 rupees, and it charges 1,000 rupees to generate one lead. In that case also, it's getting clicks only. But somehow their algorithm is so smart, it's taking that 1,000 rupees and also giving you the numbers. I got this many clicks. This is what is happening. It's not compulsorily, it will not give you the lead again. Second problem is it don't compulsorily give you the lead. But it got the information. You are ready to spend 1,000 rupees. See, I have the information. You are ready to spend 10,000 rupees for a shirt. Now I'll sell you a 500 rupees shirt also for 10,000 rupees. Correct? Correct? See how smartly Google is negotiating with you. Right? So that being the reason, don't pick these two options. But then as a digital marketer, you have to experiment these two things. We will look into that as well. So the only difference is it will ask how much you want to spend per lead, spend per sale. That's all. That's the only difference, right? Everything is same. It's just collecting your information and forcing you on certain criteria. That's all. And everything else is same, right? So anyways, we are getting started with website traffic. You all are clear, right? Why we have to pick website traffic? We'll pick these options also, and we will launch other campaigns. So everybody pick website traffic as a goal, right? And then click on. So now if you are picking these options, you have to set the conversion goals also. Anyways, regardless of that, you have to still set the conversion goals. Yeah. So click on continue. Are you all following the screen? Yes. Next thing, we had only options. See, goal wise, we had goal wise, Google used to never give any goal earlier back then, right? Awareness, traffic, that's all. Awareness and traffic. Awareness, traffic, app installations. And coming to campaign type, we had only search and display. Here, goal wise, objective wise, we had only traffic, awareness, and app installations. Only three objectives. Even now, it is fulfilling only three objectives, but it is giving you a feel that it's giving more options for you. Are you all getting it? Are you all getting it? Okay. So now, yes. Yeah. So next thing, what we do is here again, it's asking you what type of campaign you want to go, right? So now you all have proper understanding about push and pull marketing, correct? So showing to people who are badly in need of it. If you intend to do that, always go with search, right? So if you want to simply burn your money, just waste your money like that everywhere, it's not waste actually. It functions with, when you are clear with your objectives or goals, you can pick other options also. We will do that as well, right? So, but as of now, we want to show only to the people who are badly in need of it, who are coming to Google and searching for it, right? Hence, go with the option search, right? Select the search option. We are going to explore all of these options. Do not worry, okay? We are just getting started with one type of campaign, that is search. It's loading. It will probably show you next. If your web page is loading, this page is loading, it will show you the next option now. Do you also next at the right bottom?
Search and continue, Manju. You have to do.
Yes, search and continue. For me, it's loading. The screen is loading. I may have to reload it. You all click on continue.
Your business website.
Yes. So you can give any website. Even if you want to give Amazon, give the Amazon website. Anything is fine. You are trying to learn, right?
And what about the your website, your business website?
Yes,
So
yes.
we have
That's
to
what I'm
put
telling you.
link
If you
for
have, if you own a website, give that website link or give any website. Even your Facebook page is also fine.
like okay, Amazon or something like that. Flipkart, can we
Anything,
put the link of that?
anything is fine. Any website URL.
Okay.
So see, based on that website, see now think of you are all running, you are all providing services to Amazon or Flipkart or any client. You are opening for Amazon, whichever website link you provide. Based on that website, it provides you the information. The AI will generate the titles and description based on the learning of that website. So you can pick any website of your choice. Just be informed that the AI is going to suggest the information based on that website, images based on that website. Okay, it scans that website, whichever link you are going to provide, but that is optional also. You don't have to compulsorily provide that. Now that's option 2. Okay, so click on continue. Wait.
Again.
One second. Let me close some of the browser from my computer. This seems to be impacting. So, oh, my screen is stuck for all of you.
Yes, your
Yes,
screen is
it's-
stuck. It is not there. It is still at a plus new campaign.
Okay. I'll have to quit.
Cursor is hovering at a new campaign.
Yeah. I'll reshare the screen again. Yeah. So you are speaking about this one bidding. After click on continue, what do you do? What do you see? This one only, right? Yeah. Here again, see Google wants. See it comes back to you again and again on its negotiation part. Like I told you, right? The objectives, leads and sales. So here it is asking you again conversions. The moment you say conversions, look at this. I'll show you. Set a target cost per acquisition. See. So if you set 20 rupees, it slaps on your face. You will not get anything for 20 rupees. Right, you will see that in the later stage of the campaign may not perform at all. So usually I'd say, go boss, it's none of your business. Your only object, your goal is you get me as many clicks as you can. You show me as high as possible on the Google, always in the top. I have very good budget. I know that we get very good returns when people land on our website. You just get the clicks to my website, and each click I don't want to spend beyond 2 rupees. But that's not the same for other kinds of businesses. See, CPC 2 rupees, 1 rupee, for 50 paisa, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, it will be for shopping campaigns and display campaign. But if you are planning for any services like digital marketing training, your CPC will be at least your CPC will be at least 50 rupees or above 35 rupees. So it varies from business to business to show ads for the, see now this ad, if I'm clicking on this ad, Google would charge digital. Yeah. So you will not get any kind of click at 2 rupees CPC. From the keyword research file, you would have already got a thorough understanding how much you should set the CPC to. Okay. So maybe I'll set it to 40 rupees, or for now, since I'm launching a dummy campaign, let's go with 2 rupees only, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So here there's one more option, optimize. Any questions or doubts here in this stage bidding? There are multiple other things. It's not just clicks and conversions. There is something called as impression share. Okay, I don't want impression share, I just want clicks. Impression share is if we are picking a reach campaign, like I just want to show my video or image to as many people as possible, right? Even the search campaign, the main goal is to show ad on Google to as many people as possible, but don't get many clicks. But why should you do that? Your main goal is to get people to your website, inquire for the product or service, correct? Clear. Okay. So customer acquisition, optimize campaign for acquiring new customers, right? You can stop showing ads to people who have visited your website in the past or who have clicked your ads in the past, right? Let's say all of you have visited kandradigital.com website already and you are visiting for the last 1 week, 2 weeks or 1 year, right? I know you are visiting that website because you are researching or you are finding something, you are employee of this organization or something, correct? There is no point of showing an ad to you, correct? Right? I can check this option, optimize campaign for acquiring new customers, or it's not about that, it considers that as well, and old customers will not get to see the ad. You are already purchasing products, your Big Basket is running ads or Redbus is running ads, you have visited Redbus, you have visited Big Basket website and you are already a customer, and Google will now not show ads to those people if the data is already connected to this. We will discuss that as well. Customer data can be connected to this Google Ads platform, right? Now Google has that information. Based on that information, Google is not going to show ads to people who are already doing business with you, right? So now, so based on that, you decide always whether you should be showing to old customers or not, right? So then click on next, right? Here this is another, see, in every stage Google is trying to bargain and get as much benefit as possible, right? Here see, now when we have already clearly made a decision, I want to show it on search only. Now Google is again promoting its display network where your ad will be shown on thousands of other websites on the internet, across the internet, right? You all got it. So if you don't want that to be happening, if you don't want it, money to get wasted on such, see, you are not doing awareness, you have very small budget, you have to spend it wisely. At the end of the month when you have small amount of money left, you will plan to go to pubs, movies, everything? No, right? You will plan your expenses very well, correct? You don't want to go spend on any waste. When you have lots of money, you might do all of that wastage. There are chances that, see, even when you have lots of money, 90-80% of the people may not waste money just like that, correct? Correct, it's not stingy. Few people are looking at each other's faces. Okay, see, it's all about spending wisely. So same thing applies for you as well on your campaigns, right? See, always if you have clearly made up your mind that you have to spend only on push marketing, only on ads like this on Google and not ads on random website to random people, I don't know whether they are male or female, whether they are looking for the product or not, simply you are showing the product on some website. I'll show you the example. See, what is the point of showing ad on this? And then you will see many such ads which are irrelevant for you. Now this company, if they had shown to people instead of spending money like this, so now what will happen? Kids will be playing on the mobile phones, on the mobile apps, and most of the times wrong clicks and it goes to ads. Google deducts money for it. Now these here also I might simply browsing and it will be charging for impressions. By the way, it's not just only clicks. If 1,000 people are seeing this ad, I have seen now, and on your computer also, if you are seeing this ad for 1,000 impressions, Google must be charging 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees. That is called as CPM. CPA is cost per acquisition, CPC is cost per click, CPM is cost per million impressions. Million is not 10 lakhs, million is 1,000 here. But the terminology used is CPM, cost per million impressions. CPM, and Google would charge 100 rupees if 1,000 people have seen this, or 200 rupees or 300 rupees. Hence, it's waste of money. Are you all getting it? So strictly you have to uncheck this option. So majority of the digital marketers don't realize how all of this function. They'll simply go blindly checking everything, and they think whatever Google is suggesting is perfect, great, best. You go to a bakery and ask, is this honey cake fresh? They'll say fresh, right? You ask them, does this not contain any egg? They'll say this doesn't contain any egg. Do you prepare in hygiene conditions? They'll say yes, we do it in hygiene conditions. Are you all getting it? You're going and asking for a favor for the person who is selling it to you. Why will they do the favor? Google has thousands of employees working dedicatedly to sell nonsense to you. So if you register for a Google Ads account and if you're providing your email ID or phone number over there, Google representatives will start calling you and suggesting you why are you not spending on your account, and I will figure out a way or I will tell you how to spend more. And they will be given designations as Google AdWords experts, that this and all. They'll not know anything. They'll simply suggest, why are you unchecking this? Please check this. Why are you bidding on clicks? You go with CPA or CPL model, CPA cost per acquisition model. Are you all getting it? Straight away, okay, you got clarity, right? Okay. So next thing, country. Okay. So country or city, enter any another location. I want to show ads only in my area, 5 kilometers surrounding, maybe HSR layouts. Or you can pick complete Bangalore. Okay. So 560102 is Bangalore. You can include, you can exclude. Okay. And now you have got more options. You can set the circumference, presence people in, or see another thing. You have picked, see Google any in every stage. Google is trying to benefit as much possible. See, look at this. Presence or interest. People in, regularly in, or whoever have shown interest in your included locations. I am sitting at Hyderabad, and if I am searching digital marketing training in HSR, ad will be shown to that person. Or if I had come to HSR layout, I am staying in HSR layout last 1 week or last 1 year. Today I have traveled to some other place. I am searching digital marketing training in HSR. The ad will be shown to me though I am not staying in HSR layout. That's what point 1 says. And now look at this. They are putting recommended. Okay. See, people put a product in the showcase when it is about to expire, or when they make bigger margins on that product, or when nobody is buying that product and they have lots of stock left, right? Exactly, Google is also doing the same thing. It's just adding a tag recommended, so that you think, oh, Google is recommending, I have to choose that option only. Okay. But this option is not anyways going to impact big. It may not incur very big losses for you, negligible, right? You can probably go with this option, correct? Are you all getting it? Right? Or you can pick this option, people in or regularly in your included locations. See, sometimes you will be delivering only in HSR layout and somebody from Marathalli is searching for it. You cannot serve to people in Marathalli. This person is belonging to HSR. Now he has went to his friend's room to party over there, and he is searching for something, and it is showing from HSR, and it's waste of click, right? So this will impact on your conversion rate. Now from 100 clicks you would have got 10 sales. When you are getting this kind of traffic, what happens? Straight away it comes down to 7 sales, 6 sales, 5 sales. This is also going to impact on your conversion rates, correct? Are you all getting it? Clear up to here? Yeah. So language in country like India, English is the common communication language that's used on the internet or to search the queries, right? So you can go with English. So if your product is searched in Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, any other language, you can pick those languages as well along with English. But don't ever miss English. Whether you speak, whether your mother tongue is English, Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Gujarati, whatsoever it is, there are good chances 1 lakh Marathis, also of which 80,000 people might use English only. Correct? Just to capture 20,000, you don't miss out on 80,000. So add the 20,000 also to 80,000, right? So if you are doing business in Maharashtra, you add Hindi as well. If you're doing business in Karnataka, add Kannada also. But metropolitan cities mostly floating population, and usually it will be in English, right? And it depends on your product or business also, right? So I'll just leave it English. Yeah. So do not touch this audience segment because you are doing pull marketing. Anybody who is searching buy shoes online, or maybe like let's say anybody who is searching buy lipstick online. Now you don't have to pick the option only female. See, if somebody is explicitly looking buy lipstick online, whether it is male or female, they want to buy it. Correct? They must be gifting it to someone. They must be ordering it for the sister or wife or somebody else. Correct? Right? So you don't have to. Sorry, when it comes to push marketing, if you are doing pull marketing, then you decide. Okay, I don't want to show this ad to. I don't, right? For search campaigns, you ignore this for now. Yeah. Broad match keywords work with smart bidding. Okay, so we are not doing smart bidding option. You just ignore this as well. You don't have to go with the broad match keywords. Broad match, phrase match, exact match. Broad match is when you put, sorry, I'll first explain exact match. Buy shoes. The ads will be shown only to buy shoes when you bid it in exact match. Exact match, you will be wrapping it with square brackets. It doesn't even show ad for buy shoes online or buy shoes India. Only for buy shoes the ad will be shown. That is exact. When you put buy shoes in double quotes, that is phrase. Phrase is an instruction given to Google Ads platform. Show ads to any keyword that contains buy shoes in it. It could be buy shoes online or order buy shoes or buy shoes India. It can be anything. Now broad, you are bidding on buy shoes. No double quotes, no square brackets, right? You are bidding on just buy shows. Now ad will be shown for Crocs, ads will be shown for slippers. There is no shoe in it, but still broad is it thinks okay, slippers or all footwear. It would show ads for keywords like footwear, buy footwear also. Are you all getting it? So broad works that way. We usually avoid broad, and there is something called as there was something called as broad match modifier. Okay, that is no more available. It's phrase and exact and broad match is now not available with all kinds of bidding. There is something called as smart bidding. See, look at the word Google has used, smart bidding is usually used by people, layman's who doesn't know anything, business owners, they want to run. It's not smart bidding, it's stupid bidding. So if you are a stupid, you don't know anything, run this kind of bidding or campaign, Google is telling to them, and instead of using stupid word, it's telling smart, so that this person thinks I'm smart, I'll use smart bidding. Are you all getting it? See, now Google is teaching so much for all of us to learn how to communicate, how to see. This is all Google's strategy to improve their revenue. They want to make thousands of crores every week, right? They are making thousands of crores, right? So don't get into more settings as well as of now. Let's just go with the next set of options, right? Keyword and asset generation. This is a new feature to Google Ads for the last few months or year. This was not there earlier. Get help creating your ad, right? Even it's beta even now. Okay. So see, we used to hire people who has good language skills, who has good copywriting skills, who has good communication skills, right? It's important in digital marketing to write a impactful statement. You cannot write spelling mistakes sentence, right? Grammatical mistakes. People will not click on such ads, right? Now Google has made it easy. Even if you're not good with your grammar, communication, you can become a very good digital marketer and write very good ad copies, right? Google has introduced AI, right? You can give your final URL, and based on that, it suggests ads. So it's optional feature. You can skip or you can use it. Okay, so I can generate ads using this. Let me generate, or you can skip this and you can do manual. Okay, you can do it manual, skip it and you can do manual so that you learn more. Right, right. So now you have to also provide the ad group name. Oh, we did not give the campaign name at all, right? We skipped it, I guess. Okay, anyways, we'll be able to review once again and add it. Ad group name, I'll give it as test ad group. Okay, okay. See, keywords also, Google wants to take control of your keywords, right? So you must have decided to bid only on traditional foods, but Google suggested you so many keywords here already. You don't have to go, and moreover these are all in broad. Look at this, right? I don't want it to be happening, so I'll just bid on, maybe let's say, buy healthy foods in phrase match, right? Buy, and then I don't want to bid on just traditional foods also. Traditional foods people must be researching. If they use buy term, if the intention is clear that they want to buy traditional foods. So for all of you whomsoever have picked products like watches, shoes and all, you can add keywords like buy shoes online, order shoes online order, right? Shoes online delivery, different kinds of keywords. So how do you get to know so those keywords is through keyword research, which we learned in the previous class, right? So even if you're not doing a keyword research, if you go to the autocomplete on Google, autocomplete will give you the keywords, correct? So for now, to keep it short, I'm just adding two keywords, and you can add as many keywords as possible, but try to make sure all are different. If you're adding buy traditional foods one keyword and again adding buy traditional foods online, will say conflict, overlap or conflict. You cannot add two like this. Earlier we used to add even with the slight differences. Now it says it conflicts. Anybody has questions?
No, Manju.
Okay. Okay, and I want to show for this keyword best Indian foods. So this is exact match. Okay, right. So people, where should they land on your website? They have to land on this web page, or maybe if your website has a special page called Malpuva, or Adirasam, or Kajaya, or Adisalu, or Garelu, you land them on that page. You put the link of that respective page. Okay, yeah. And now see, sometimes if you observe some URLs after .com, there will be slash question mark 123, some random text, right? By you even the Nike shoes, it would have been Nike question mark 12356, right? You don't want people to see that in those cases, or you want to communicate something else over there. You can probably put that here, and look at this here, after slash nothing is shown here to the right side. You see sponsored, the preview of the ad. After slash you don't see anything. Here you can put traditional or healthy, something like the traditional foods, and you will see the same text here. Display path, URL path or display path. So it is shared, so many people are there on the Google Meet, and then also I'm recording this class. So basically the processor is running on a very high usage. Hence, see to the right side, you will be seeing weekly clicks 930. For one ad group, we used to write 3, 5, 10, 20 ad copies also. Now it has modified. You don't have to write multiple ad copies. Just give multiple headlines. Fill all these headlines, and it has a character limit, 30 characters, not beyond 30 characters, right? And you have to provide the description as well. At least how many headings? At least you have to put 4 headings or 5 headings. And when it comes to descriptions, you have to put at least 3 to 4 descriptions as well, and descriptions can go up to 90 characters. Since I have used AI has generated some descriptions. If you want to improvise this, you can edit and improvise them, right? I'll pause it for 2 minutes. So if you have any questions here, or if you want to give a try here, or if you want to explore various other things here, you can please go explore, look into it, and ask me the questions if you are stuck, if you have any questions. Yeah. So you have to also provide a business name here. This name should match your URL or your verified advertiser name, which is Kandra Foods Private Limited. So maybe we'll put just Kandra Foods. Business logo, since this account is an old account connected, automatically it's pulling in the business logo. Shall I proceed? Everybody, ignore it now. You will keep getting the messages. Will you keep responding to everybody? If important person, your family members are sending messages, you will respond.
Uh,
Yeah.
Manju, can you please show again the business name and logo part?
Yes.
Business name and logo part.
Yeah. So business name will be the name of your company. Yeah. This will display. This will display at various places on the ads. So maybe this name will be utilized if you are displaying the if you are selecting the display campaign also, display network also, right? It's showing up here as well.
Okay.
You would see, yeah. So it shows up along with your ad, whatever you mentioned here, based on the places where it's getting served, it shows up there. Okay.
So I have chosen the Amazon. So I need to put it Amazon over there, the business
Yes,
name,
yes, yes.
because I don't have such a brand.
You don't have?
Getting access.
Or what it says? Get access.
Yes.
If you click on it, what happens?
It's coming later.
Okay, okay, okay. But you can ignore it. We understood the problem, right? Because we don't own that brand. But if you are if the ad account is already open for with the brand name with all the details, see, probably it will take you to the profile where you will set up with all the details of the company. It will ask you for the GST of the company, name of the company, incorporation certificate, and couple of other details. Usually, it never used to ask for incorporation. It just asks the full name and GST number and couple of other details. Okay.
I'm also facing the same issue, like get access for the business logo.
Yes,
So
yes,
should I
yes.
skip the
It's not
steps?
just you. Anybody would face the same issue because you don't own Amazon, right? So what is happening? It's taking it to the new tab, right? When you click on get verified or correct.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
yes,
is
yes.
taking
We
us to
can
the
ignore.
payment setup.
See, there are two options. You can click on get verified and you can provide the details if you own that brand. So, for example, if it's asking for incorporation certificate, GST certificate, you won't be able to provide any of those things, correct? So, in that case, you won't be able to verify. Thing is, you can ignore it now, correct? But when you are setting up an account, when you are working on a brand already connected to an account, account which is already connected to a brand, you will not face this problem. Okay. Even if you are setting up it for the first time for your client, client will provide all of those details. It will probably ask you if you details pertaining to the company. That's all. There is no hard process because we used to do this like that only, right? You just have to provide the details. Yeah. So if you are not able to, if you are not owning that brand, just skip it. No problem. You don't have to compulsorily fill it. Okay. Site links, right? So I'll show you what are the site links. Yeah, these are site links. What you see here are called as site links. Okay. So if you also want to display that I provide different services, various other services, and if you think this can grab the attention, see in Google Ads also, it's important to have the highest CTR to reduce your CPC. If you have highest CTR and if you have good engagement on the landing page, automatically, see, it's something like this. If you're scoring highest marks in your competitive exams, you don't have to spend more money, right? You don't have to bribe, you don't have to spend more money, correct? Correct, guys, everybody? So it works something like that. So based on your perform, based on the CTR, engagement, and CPC, there is something called as quality score. Quality score will be assigned to your ad copy, to this ad or to this ad. If these are ads, each of this will have quality score in the scale of 0 to 10. If your quality score is 10 out of 10 or maybe 9, you must be paying for click, you must be paying, let's say, 40 rupees. And if your quality score is 6, probably you must be paying 50 rupees or 90 rupees and still ranking below. Quality score impacts two things. One is ranking and second one is CPCs, and majorly mostly CPC. You have to end up paying more, right? Google clearly knows the loophole with you, the problem with you, that you are don't have great CTR and your web page is not serving the great experience to the end user. So straight away it starts charging you higher, right? So if you go to a doctor casually, they'll not charge much. If you go with a in a life threatened situation, they'll charge you a bomb. Some hospitals, right? So it's something like that. Google also does the same. If your quality score, it's important. If your quality score is low, you get impacted. You might have to spend more to get one click, right? Or you may never rank in the top. Hence, it's important to have good CTR, and this plays a very key role. All of these details, whatever you are providing, the ad copy quality, the content, the description that you put, the headlines you put, everything play a key role in CTR. Are you all understanding it? Right? So, a supermarket owner puts a board ABC. Nothing, just the name of the supermarket. Right? Another supermarket owner puts a board, name of the supermarket, and below it he also puts the products available or maybe the offers running or maybe something else. So obviously that will have better traction, I believe. Right? If they have to grab the attention by the name. Right? So it's important you to have the best headings and descriptions with all the CTR triggers. We will discuss about this as well. We discussed earlier in the SEO classes, the CTR triggers, how to write effective quality titles and descriptions. We'll discuss again for this as well. Let us first understand what is all needed to launch a campaign, right? So site links are again not compulsory. Site links are again not compulsory, and this is how you add. Just click on the plus, right? So you have to click the text. Okay, so I will put ghee, site link text, description. I will write some, see ghee showing up here now. Do you see that?
Yes.
Right? And now for this, I can add up to 35 characters. Description: recommended by the purest ghee online. Maybe I'm just adding something like that. Final URL: Chandra Foods. See, this URL has to be again different. It cannot be same as your homepage. If you are adding 4 different site links, it has to contain 4 different URLs. You are not supposed to have to add the same URL. So I have to get the URL pertaining to ghee page. I'll have ghee page on my website. I'll get it. So now this Mysore Pak, you could see, you all understood what site links are?
Yes.
So directly people can click on this when they are seeing your ad and they can land on those pages also directly. See, here you see the URL, certified Tableau analyst, PPC associate, SEO course, digital marketing course, cyber security, right? Different links. Left bottom you could see, left bottom different links. Yeah. Call out statements. Any idea what are these call outs? Heard of it? See, call out statements are any piece of statements, any statements that help the customer to take the call, right? Any statement that helps the customer to take the call. Okay. So many times you will be stuck with the decision making. You will not take the call. You will not take the call. Multiple things will be running on your mind. Should I do that or not to do? You are not taking any kind of call. Now the information that you are going to provide should help the customer to take the call. That's when you will get a better CTR, right? So for example, you have 20,000 budget and you are planning to buy a smartphone, right? You are exploring two different brands. You are quite confused now. Both phones are 20,000 and a lot of features are same. You are in confusion. You are asking everybody, should I buy this? Should I buy this? Right? Now, brand 2 introduces a new feature called no need to charge for lifetime. Brand 1 you have to charge as usual, the regular general way how it works, right? Brand 2 brings in a new feature. You don't have to charge the phone at all. That is making you to take the decision now, correct? You will decide to go with the brand 2. There is a 99% overlap already and this one unique feature is making you to take the call, correct? Are you all getting it? Is that clear? So now basically a call out statement is any statement that is helping you to take the call, and usually this will be your product USP or service USPs. USPs are unique selling propositions. Unique selling proposition which is mostly provided only by you and not by anybody else, not by any other competitors of yours. Clear? What is a call out statement? Clear? So you can add multiple call out statement, but Google will display few of its choice based on the keyword that Google user is using on Google. It is a call out statement, right? Experience on, right? Look at this now how your ad looks to the right side. Yeah, avail 20% discount, delivered within 24 hours, no shipping charges, fresh and custom. Do you see that?
Yes.
Right? Just click on apply. Got it? So see, Google has given so many options to improve your CTR. See, if CTR is improving for your ad, that is nothing but more people are clicking on your ad. If more people are clicking on your ad, more revenue to Google. Correct? Correct? So Google has given you as many options as possible so that you improve your ad CTR so that Google makes more money. See, Google want people to be clicking on these ads, ignoring the organic results. You see organic results as image. You see organic results with any image. You don't, right? But Google Ads has given you an option to see organic results also will show the image, but there is a big circus for that. There is a huge effort, and it doesn't assure you based on the type of business category of the products the image shows up. Images will be shown only for businesses where product image plays a key role. For digital marketing service, image will not play a key role. If a business is selling ornament, jewelry, the image plays a role. If a business is selling apparel, the image plays a role. In those scenarios, on the organic search results, you will see image, right? But for digital marketing, you will not see image for any websites. But look at this scenario. I will search for some product. You will see images. You will see images for this business. Google has proper understanding, clarity for what kind of business it has to show images, for what kind of Wait, hold on, it will start showing. See, these are all organic results. Google is showing, and it shows up here also. Let me search other. Maybe I'll show it to you in another browser. Maybe shoes. Buy shoes online.
Ads is not there, no? Sponsor.
For which one?
Anything.
No, no, no. You will not see search text ads. You will see product listing ads. These are Kajaya Online Bangalore. You all got it right?
Yes.
Yeah. So see, Google wants people to be clicking on ads. See, as an end user, as a customer, he will not know whether he's clicking on ads or organic results. And even if he's clicking on ads, he is not going to lose anything. Correct? So Google wants to capitalize on this. Google wants to make more money on this weakness of the relation between the customer and the business. Got it? Right? So it has given you more options to add images, videos, lot of things. See, calls, you can add phone number, you can show the phone number next to this. So usually this callers will not show on the desktops, it shows on the mobile phones. Mobile phone straight away call goes to customer. Easily people will click on it. So this is courses. There is something called as type of content courses. They have added all of these things. These are site links. These are call out statements. Images. This fellow has added images. Skillflow has added images, and this person has not added image. So it's left to you. There are so many options. You decide what to be used, what not to be used. Promotions, add promotions. So you will be telling 20% discount or off. So that is what promotions. Prices, you can add the range, you can add that. Okay. So occasion on Independence Day, on Christmas, on New Year, I'll give the offer. You can pick that. Okay. Right. See. Simply end of season also. Currency, INR, INR, monetary discount or percentage discount. Anything that you want. Monetary discount, I would say probably 100 off. Okay. The item is the product or service you are promoting. Enter up to 20 characters to show the. Maybe I'll simply put all products. Okay, so you see where it shows up. See, look at this end of season, 100% off on all products. So display, I haven't anywhere selected it, but if it is selected, it goes on all these places also your ad. But we are going to launch explicitly a campaign, all of these kinds of campaigns as well. Okay, yeah, you got it right. Final URL, you can put some URL, promotion details, on orders over. I can write over 2000. It just adds up on orders over 2000. Right? Display promotion dates, start date, end date. For the promotion, you can put it. This promotion is valid only from August 1st to August 15th. Okay, right? You can save it. Okay, I'll cancel it. You all got it right? And again, I'll cancel it. Okay, so this way you can add prices as well for the product. Okay, you can add call phone numbers. So same, all the fields, just add the prices. So On 5 units, this price will.
Yeah, for me, it's, your screen is stuck. I don't see. Even I didn't follow the promotion tab as well
Okay.
because your screen got stuck for me.
Do you all see the screen now?
It's loading. Yeah, yeah. Now it's
Okay.
visible.
So if you want to give them the different kinds of price, buy three at $2, buy 10 pieces at $20, something like that. So you could see here, right? So such kinds of things get added, which will play a crucial role in the CTR. Okay. So now same thing for the promotions. I'm not sure if how many have faced problem with it. So promotions, we entered so much text here. Promotions, we are doing it on the occasion of Independence Day. So this is how it looks. And if this discount is applicable only on jewelry, you will write jewelry, or if it is applicable only on Malpua or Adirasam or Kajaya, you will write only that, or all products, you will write all products. To the right side, you could see that all products text will also show up there. Yeah. Independence Day, 100 rupees off on all products. This is how it looks. Okay. And you can add multiple such promotions. Prices, I have shown it to you. Call, just adding the number. Already this account will have numbers. I'll just select this. Or brands, you are selling different brand products, Nike, Van, Alan Sole, right? You can go with all of them and they all show up along with your ad. Okay. So just, so if you locations, you can connect your locations as well. You can do lead forms. People don't have to click on your ad and come to your website. They can fill it on Google itself, the lead form. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So you can submit it. It gets submitted on the Google. Okay. That thing, how to set up all of that. If it is getting late, we'll look into it in the next class. What do you guys suggest? Should we launch this? So create your,
Search campaign, right?
yes.
So the landing there, my page, that form will be.
They won't land on the website. Straight away, they will see something like this here. When you click on it, it shows up a form like this. You can fill this and you can submit. If you want to get a call, I will fill your name and email ID. Okay. Done. Do you all see that? Okay. So now there is an option to visit site, or I can just skip it. Okay. So they will get those leads here saved. Okay. Name, phone number. I have to submission message. What do you want to show after submitting? We'll contact you soon. Visit site, whatever you want to show. Okay. This is how it shows. Learn more, call to action description. So here this text. So you will see that. Yeah, here you will see the same text. Yeah, download. Okay. So there are fields for you to manage all of these things. Okay. So you can connect with your app also. It shows up right below. We don't have any app. So all app. When they click on it, it directly takes them to the Play Store or App Store. Okay. See, App Store, Play Store campaigns work differently, and if you have app, you can promote it here as well. Okay. So for now, just click on done. You will get a final preview thing asking to cross check once again all of your details and then submit. So budget, it will ask you for the budget as well now. How much you want to spend per day, per week, per month. Start date, end date, and couple of other details. Do you all see that screen, guys? No?
No, no.
No, not my screen. On your computer, if you are checking it out, do you see that option budget and other things?
For me, it is showing next.
Yeah, yeah. So one of you, if one of you can share the screen, I'll show it to you. What is next?
After clicking the next button, it is showing like budget option.
Yes. So budget you can see Google is again suggesting budget. Okay. See Google suggests higher budget. Okay. And suggest you lower budget and suggest you a recommended budget. See if Google is not suggesting you any of these things, you will probably put 50 rupees. See psychologically they are taking control over your next action. Are you all getting it? Google is taking control over your thought process or guiding you to achieve what they want. Right? It's showing you it's a comedy. 300 higher budget, average budget, and lowest budget or set a custom budget. So if I am taking this seats again picking up the recommended only, if I'm taking this to 52, think of it. See what it says minimum you have to spend this much, that much. So, anyways, you are getting 406 clicks, average CPC 0.91, weekly cost. This is per day. 88 weekly clicks, 17 rupees weekly cost. Usually it says it's maybe if we click next, it might show probably. Right? Provide campaign name. We haven't provided campaign name. Test campaign September 24. Okay. So campaign type search, objective website traffic, goal, download, purchases. So because of this thing we did last now, form, but we did not take goal. Why is it downloads and purchase? Our goal is clicks only, right? Search campaign, form, and couple of other things. Based on that, it's showing it like that. Okay. Customer acquisition bid equally for new and existing customers. You can take control, locations, network, search partners. Yeah, yeah. Okay, you just have to cross check and submit. That's all. My screen is automatically loading and taking it to somewhere. It seems to have gone back. See, budget is showing an issue. Okay, okay. Publish campaign. So after publishing, your account will be your campaign information, everything will be reviewed. So they will check, have their own policy. They validates you against that policy. They, in the sense, it could be probably an algorithm, a script, an automation. So if required, they will do a manual review as well. Okay, right? Clear? Yeah. So next other various other options. What is next after this? Everything we'll look into it in the upcoming classes. Anybody has questions?
No,